Hello everyone! In this video I'll show you how to disassemble the flip key of my Audi A6 car. Well, naturally, this key fob is similar in all VAG Volkswagen Auto Group cars from previous years. It will be the same in brands like Volkswagen, Audi, Mercedes and others. Practically all these flip keys look alike and are structured the same way. So I think this video will help many car enthusiasts understand how to take apart their flip keys in order to, for example, replace the battery. At the moment, my car only unlocks from a distance of 3 feet, most likely because the batteries inside have worn out and haven't been changed for a while. In the end, I acquired 2 new batteries. I'll tell you right away that in my car's configuration, the battery type is CR1620. I know that some keys use a different type of battery. We'll also need a screwdriver to disassemble the key. Disassemble is quite easy. If you flip the key over, you'll notice there are special holes. You need to insert the screwdriver into those holes to separate the key into 2 parts. After you separated the key, you can set aside the part with the immobilizer chip and will need the part where the batteries are located. This part of the key looks like a box, and to access the batteries you need to open it using the same screwdriver. Insert the screwdriver to pry apart the 2 halves and remove the cover, which will give you access to the batteries. Here are the batteries and they are quite easy to remove. You can use something like a flathead screwdriver to gently pry them out. I've removed 1 battery and then the other. And there you have it, the previously mentioned battery type is CR1620. Next, we unpack the new batteries and insert them in their original positions. First one and then the second one. While you are at it, you can check the condition of the contacts, just in case any of them are corroded. After doing all this, you can close the cover again. You'll hear it click when it's securely closed. Next, take the 2 halves of the key and snap them back together until they click. As you can see, the batteries were replaced in just a couple of minutes. Now, be sure to go to your car and check how far away you can unlock and lock the doors. That's it. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye!